this is Lugaya from Earth in Moccasins. It's been about a year and a half since my last Kickstarter campaign, where I was helped to launch my 6 first video tutorials about how to make custom fitted leather moccasins. I want to show you quickly what they were. So that was the sand sandals, one of my easiest projects in adults and kids sizes, as well as the heart moccasins in one piece of leather, one of my bestseller, very beautiful, elegant design, as well as the moon moccasins, a little more classic in the style. I recommend this one for people that have especially large feet, as I have developed the pattern in bigger sizes, as well as the the leaf moccasins in 2 pieces. These ones, as you see, 2 colors are possible, and I recommend this one for people that want a wider toe box and also for people that have a high instep. It's more adaptive. And the other one are the leaf boots, so it's a variation of the leaf. They're wrap-up boots, really nice and comfortable, easy to slip in, both for men and women. And finally, the baby moccasins that I teach both in moon and leaf styles, 1 or 2 colors. It's a really nice little project if you want to start with something small and fast to make, and little ones from 0 to 3 years old will really appreciate them. So these were the 6 video tutorials and patterns that are already available on my Etsy shop, but today I am calling for your support to help me record a new video tutorial. And this new video tutorial will be about how to make your own patterns directly from your feet. That means no matter if you want to make moccasins for a baby, or for someone that have really large feet, or just really unusual shape of feet, you will be able to make exactly the pattern that you need. And the most interesting thing about this tutorial is that I will show you in the same tutorial how to make about a dozen of different styles. Let me show you quickly here. So we'll learn how to make the base, the simple base for low moccasins. You could make them with laces, a little more opened, with tassels, like I have made here for these little pairs, as you see. With a different tongue, low boots, ankle boots, with laces, with tassels. Low boots with laces, higher boots, until high boots with laces like these ones that I have here. So if you've already followed one of my tutorials, this one will be complementary, as I will teach you so the pattern making, so you will be able to grow in skill and creativity. But also, if you're a complete beginner, if you've never made leather craft, if you've never made shoes, if you've never made sewing, this tutorial will be totally accessible for you, because I will run you through all the easy steps, all the details, just as if you were there by my side, just watching over my shoulder. I intend this tutorial to be a little longer than the previous ones. The other ones were around 2 hours long. This one will probably be 3 to 4 hours long, because I also want to teach you how to make your own soles, either in rubber or leather, like I have here. These are little rubber soles. We also had leather soles on the other shoes. And finally, I want to show you how to add a nice little warm layer if you like. So this will be a really complete tutorial so that you can easily make your perfect pair of barefoot shoes. Now, if you're interested, it's really easy to support me to record this new tutorial. You can pre-order it now. I expect that it would take me about 1 month to record, edit, and publish it. So you can order your new tutorial, or you can order one of the previous tutorials with a great $10 discount. And what I offer you today is also to order your leather kit. So leather and tools. What is really cool about moccasin making is that you need very simple tools. On top of my toolkit, you'll need scissors and a marker. That's all. And then we'll have needle, an awl for making holes, and wax thread. Why do I recommend that you order the leather kit as well as the tutorial? Very simple. If you order at least one time my leather kit, you will have a reference of what kind of leather to look for in your local area. It would be such a pity that you spend heaps of time and money on sourcing some leather that is not even suitable for the project. This leather that I send is extremely soft and thick at the same time. It's beautiful leather from France, tanned from European bulls, and honestly across Australia, Asia, Europe, this is the most beautiful leather I've came across with. It's the same leather that is also used by luxury houses for their own purposes. So really, I recommend this if you want to treat yourself with a really good experience in moccasin making and a very comfortable pair of leather shoes. This is the go. So I think I've said it all. If you have any questions, really don't hesitate. I'm always there by email to answer your questions, especially during this Kickstarter campaign, also here in the comments. And also, when you are learning, remember that even though the tutorials are really easy and clear to follow, I am always there as well, behind you by email, to help you overcome the little challenges, the little mistakes, the confusion that you could have, so that you never ever get stuck. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I thank you in advance for your support. I'm really looking forward to release this new video tutorial and to see the amazing creations that will come out of it. I wish you a very beautiful day from Earthing Moccasins. Bye bye.